Just got my noodles on the mail. Vendor was kind enough to send this out for us to review. So let's take a look at it. It has artificial pork bone soup, all right? So it's the broth is going to be artificial. It's parter, but that's mostly what you get on all the noodles. We're going to try them out. We're going to open them up and see what you get. So let's try them out. All right, this is what you get. Portion size, very good portion size for the noodles. They give you all the sides, all right, including the actual broth. It's a liquidy format gel kind of thing in here that you have to mix up with water, of course. Once you set up in hot water, you could throw in all this stuff. Instructions are in the back of the actual noodle box. There's also 5 packages included with it. So let's put it together. After pouring water, what I like to do is let it mix up for a couple minutes. And then I also cover it up, all right? Just put something heavy in it so you could cover it up. All right, after a couple minutes, open it up once in a while and keep mixing it up until you get a nice texture, nice soup, if you guys can see the color of it. So we're gonna try it out in a bit. Just let it cook some more because it's cooking itself because it's still hot. You put boiling water and it's gonna cook right away. We're going to take a look at the broth first to see how well it tastes, if it has that artificial or it has the realism taste. Out of the box, it's not bad. It's not like the ramen noodle ones, all right? This is actually has like more like a chicken broth. It's not bad. Now let's try the noodles themselves. Noodles, look how beautiful the noodles are. Not bad. Very spongy, very good. Kept that natural taste, natural look. The only thing I would turn down, maybe just a little bit of less salt on the broth. But overall, it's pretty good. So check them out, pack of 5. You can order them. They taste a little bit more. They taste a lot better than the regular cup of noodles that you get at your store. One thing I like about this broth is that you look at this. It has a little piece of cabbage because of the actual package that you had, and also onion too. I was very impressed with it. I mean, look at that piece of onion right there. So giving it even more authentic taste with all the stuff, all the preservatives and the rest of the stuff. But actually, it's not bad. I like it better than the cup of noodles.